Hey guys, in this Florida Van Man video, we're going to be showing you how to replace your harmonic balancer in your driveway. Now luckily you don't need to tear down your entire radiator to do this. Let's get right into it.
Put that on it. There we go. Now I'm on it. Oh, I guess there is no cover there. I thought I was feeling a cover, but now those bolts are out. This will go in. If you have a friend with two wrists on one arm, have him help. Because there just isn't a good way to reach in there. Come on. There, it's definitely in there now. Yep, that's the hole. Okay. 17mm socket on a long handle. So we can work the belt tension loose and slide that corner off. And then the belt's out of the way for our harmonic balancer removal.
Okay. Please don't hit me.
All right. You know what we should have done first? Take the belt off.
Oh, yeah. I know they can't fall on me, but please don't let it fall.
That wasn't big. That is a long bolt. There we go. It's out. It's down. And it was a 10-9 bolt, which is exactly what we have to put back in it. Good deal. I don't know what that means. It has something to do with the hardness.
Well, that makes sense. Ta-da!
And that's the way we want them to come off. Boy, I'm glad we didn't have to go prying and pushing and pulling on that. Pull the radiator out and get a puller on there. Would have been a much bigger job.
There are actually two different styles of keyways, and the keyways are important for keeping the harmonic balancer in time with the crankshaft. The bolts differ between the two styles of keyways too. The 10-9 is used for the old style keyway, and the 1150 is used for the new style keyway, as per this diagram from ID Parts.
Go for it. So we've got two kinds of keys possibly in there. Some shafts will have just a short river, if you will, for a moon-shaped key to go into. Others will have a full river, like this pulley does, where the river goes all the way through it. And those will have this kind of a keyway. If this is the keyway that's in there, let it be.
This long style keyway cannot be replaced without tearing down the engine. Don't try and rip it out.
If this is the kind of keyway that's in there, you probably should replace it. No matter what you're doing with the keyway, replace the bolt and the washer there. We're going to verify it's the same. Oh, this one says 1150 instead of 10-9. 10-9, 10-9, exactly the same bolt. We're going to go with what the engine's calling for, 240 foot-pounds plus 90 degrees. New harmonic balancer. Guess where we bought this, boys and girls? That's going to go on there just like so. We lined up the key somewhat. There it is.
Oh, that sounded...
Didn't that look nice? Wasn't that pretty?
That looked and sounded nice from here.
I'm almost feeling like we did something wrong because that was too easy. I know what I did wrong. I read the book too many times. Now, we're going to turn our big wrench around. It is set to 240 foot-pounds. All right, we finally hit our 240. Let's make sure that wasn't just because I was jumping on it. Yeah, we're definitely there. So now I'm gonna get a pencil and mark that. We know the wrench is gonna move several times. We're gonna mark the socket all the way up here on the side. So we wanna mark it on this side. And we're also gonna mark it on the bottom. Now we're gonna turn that socket until that mark is on this side and that side mark is straight down here at the bottom. And that'll be 90 degrees, right?
See the second mark from the bottom here.
Yep, that's where we want it. That's 90 degrees.
Nice.
Woohoo! Anything we had any doubts about is now done. The wrench fits. It does the 90 degrees without complaint.
We didn't bend it.
We didn't bend this one. Oh man. The last one we bent, we did bad things to the rental tool. They're very bad things. All right, so this goes from the tensioner over the new harmonic balancer. And we fell off the top here. Back on the power steering pump. Up on the idler. Is it off of that idler too or something?
It is. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
What a minute.
Don't you want the breaker bar on the other side of the belt?
I do. Right here will kind of hold it.
Oh, right. Gotcha.
So that I've got a little bit of tension on it now. I've just got the belt kind of hooked on the edge of the air conditioner. And now I can really get the full swing in there and pop it over. And we'll take a look, make sure that belt is on all the pulleys. It looks like it is.
Looks good from down here.
Don't get too excited yet. We definitely don't want to try to start the engine with that lock in place. Let's come back out. Trying to kill me. I have recently seen somebody had a little plastic plug laying on their driveway. They want to know where it came from. Apparently it came from this hole that we just took the tool out of. I've never actually seen a plug in one of those holes, but it's the right shape. So if you can't get your tool in there, there's probably a plastic plug in the way. Poke it. It's like a kitten.
That sounds damn nice.
It does.
Damn good.
Almost as nice as it looks. Yeah.